Hey everybody, it's Rob. I'm here at the new beach house we have under contract, so check it out. So you kind of have this little front porch area, a little landing here. It's going to take you up into the stairs. I'm going to first show you this garage, which is unbelievable. So when you see this garage, I mean, okay, a car would probably easily fit right here. Bikes there, we're going to put it in a game room here. It's massive. I mean, you can hear it echo. So it's like, you know, fantastic. And you've got a little back porch here too. So if you wanted to, you could open the garage, open this, and get a really nice cross breeze coming right through here. Even though it's not air conditioned, it's probably going to stay pretty cool and going to be very usable space, which is going to be awesome for the Airbnb because we're going to have amenities in here, not only for us, but for anybody that wants to stay here, which is going to be just fantastic, you know? All right, so come on in. Let's check out the upstairs. So you kind of walk up here. You got a little desk. We're going to put like the guidebook and different things here for people. So that's going to be perfect. You walk into this living room, 9-foot ceilings. I mean, fantastic space here. It looks smaller than it is in the pictures, but like this thing's gone. We're gonna put a 65-inch TV right here, boom. Big L couch with a chair here, new dining room table. You know, in the future we may upgrade the kitchen, but the kitchen's actually in pretty good condition for right now. Definitely very usable for renters. Kind of a funky little microwave, you know, but you gotta get a slice of pizza in there. So anyway, there's some things that can be improved. Some of the flooring we may want to improve. It's got a durable, almost industrial style carpet, you know, commercial style carpet, I should say, throughout. Tons of closets. Closets on top of closets everywhere. 3 full bathrooms. So you walk in to your first bedroom here, which has a huge amount of light. Its own full bathroom, giant closets. And this closet is huge. This is a walk-in almost. I mean, you kind of could walk in it. So it's huge. I mean, huge. So you got this full bathroom right here. So every bedroom has its own full bathroom, which is pretty fantastic. Now with this tile here, you may not like the color of this, which I don't like the color of this. We are simply going to paint this with the tile glaze. So that's going to be gone. Everything we're going to do, and if like we want to take this bathroom high end, it's really not that hard. We're just going to basically replace the cabinet, or we're not going to replace the cabinet. We're keep the cabinet, just go with a piece of quartz or a piece of granite across here, and you know, paint the tile, and then maybe redo the floor with a little bit nicer flooring. You can't really tell from the video, but this is a peel and stick tile, which I'm not that thrilled about. But everything's pretty nice. I mean, it's you know, getting picky. So let's come upstairs to the third floor. I mean, you can really see, you know, I can't touch the ceiling. So, yeah. I got pretty good ups, you know, but I can't quite get there. So you come in here, I would say this is bedroom number 2. I mean, the ceiling, I don't even know how high that is. It's like, it's gotta be 15 feet at least. It's huge. I mean, absolutely beautiful space. Another full bathroom here. Your own balcony. I mean, like, this air conditioner thing, we're gonna kind of try to figure out how to make that look a little nicer. Maybe you hide it with some plants or something like that. Everything's not perfect, but you got what you got, and you get what you get and you don't get upset. So this is gonna be the laundry room, which we're gonna have 2 full-size a washer and dryer full size. No problem at all there. You've got your utility sink, tons of storage space for all your stuff. So that's going to be upstairs laundry for the tenants and for us, which is fantastic because, I mean, that's super convenient. You're walking in the master. This master is pretty unbelievable. You've got this full bathroom here, of course, since they all have full bathrooms. Really nice. Again, we've got this tile that's maybe off color that we're gonna paint. Get rid of that. You know, we could easily, again, go quartz in here or a granite slab. We're not talking a ton of money to make it really nice. Now again, you go into the master, huge lofted ceilings, and we've got a loft. So there's a spiral staircase up. So let me show you the spiral staircase. So this is gonna be, I think, a really cool feature for people. And you come up here, and I mean, you've got a really crazy carpet, but this is going to be a funky, cool space. I'm thinking about like a giant flamingo here or something like that, that really makes it cool for who's staying here, who's living here, playing here. But we can easily get some bunk beds maybe right here, and a desk. So that's a really big thing, is people have a workspace in this rental, because they're going to be renting it for a month plus, and they're going to need space to work. And we're going to put in high-speed internet access, which is really critical. But this almost adds a 4th bedroom or office area. So we really are getting almost a 4-bedroom place, which is quite incredible. We're going to do a couple things in the staircase, like add some grippy tape and, you know, secure the staircase, etc. But it's totally fine. So this is a cool feature of all the sliders in this place. I mean, they open up. We have to fix this screen. You got like a door jamb on it. But anyway, this you open up to like you're almost outdoors now. All of a sudden, and you can see the water from here. So they have a lot here. I'm not sure exactly what they're going to be doing or building there. They may build something, but as of right now, there is a water view from this place. So you can see beautiful views, more balconies than you can ever use. Storage space. This place is just going to be phenomenal. I'm so excited. I really think we've got a gem here in terms of a rental, as well as a place that our family's going to enjoy. And the coolest thing is it's going to pay for itself. So, all right, everybody, thanks for taking the tour.